In this video, you'll learn how to create a flight booking app for free. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to set up your application using WordPress.com and its AI features. By the end, you'll have a functional flight booking app that you can customize further as needed. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com website. If you are not already signed in, you may be prompted to enter your credentials. After signing in, you will be directed to the main dashboard. Look for the section labeled Sites on the left-hand menu to proceed. Next, click on the button labeled Add New Site. This action will initiate the process of creating a new site. You should see options for different site creation methods appear on your screen. Choose the option that allows you to create with AI, which will streamline the setup process. After selecting the AI creation option, you will need to wait a moment while the system prepares the necessary tools for you. This step may take some time depending on server load and your internet connection speed. Be patient as the interface updates the next stage. Once the system has completed this initial preparation, you will see a message stating, "Make a website as unique as you." This signifies that you are ready to input specific details about your flight booking app. Take note of the prompt that follows, as it will ask about your main goal for the website. Type in the phrase, "Create a flight booking app," when prompted. This input helps the AI understand the purpose of your site and tailor the features accordingly. Ensure that you enter the phrase correctly before moving on to the next step. You will then receive a message indicating that the AI can assist you in creating a WordPress.com website tailored for your flight booking app. It will also inquire about the main goal for your website. Respond to this prompt as it is crucial for the AI's guidance. After this, you will need to choose an option from the suggestions provided by the AI. The system will display various choices related to your app's functionality. Select the one that best aligns with your vision and type it into the prompt. Following this selection, you will see a message asking for the name that should appear as your website title in the browser tab. This is an important branding step as it will represent your app to users. Input the desired name and continue. You will then be prompted to provide a short site description or tagline that will appear in search results and social media previews. Aim for about 10 to 20 words to effectively convey the essence of your flight booking app. Type in your description and confirm your entry. Once you've entered the short description, click on the Enter button to submit your input. The system will acknowledge your entry and proceed to the next stage of site creation. Wait for the confirmation message to ensure that your input has been successfully recorded. After successfully entering your details, you'll receive a message summarizing the information that will be used to build your site. This is a good moment to review the details for accuracy before finalizing your site creation. Next, click on the button labeled Create My Site to initiate the actual building process of your flight booking app. This action will trigger the server to start working on your site setup. It may take a few moments for the system to begin processing your request. Following your submission, a message will appear indicating, "Please wait, your site is brewing." This is a confirmation that the site creation is in progress. At this point, you should allow the system some time to finish building your site. During this period, you may experience a loading screen or progress indicator. It is important to remain patient as the system finalizes the setup. Your internet speed may affect how quickly this stage completes. Eventually, you will see a message instructing you to click on Generating Your Site. This step indicates that the system is actively assembling the components of your flight booking app. Click the link to proceed. After clicking, you will need to wait for your site to generate completely. This process may take several moments depending on the complexity of your app and server conditions. Monitor the screen for any updates regarding the status of your site generation. Once the site has finished generating, you will be notified with a confirmation message. At this point, your flight booking app should be fully operational and ready for customization. Explore the features available to enhance your app's functionality.